Welcome to EB Capital Markets Learning Center. My name is Todd Campbell, founder and president of EB Capital Markets. Our Learning Center is your source for discovering how you can use our research to increase returns. Our goal is simple: give you actionable ideas with a proven track record of making you money. I guarantee your satisfaction and know you'll beat the street with our research, because we're already helping some of the biggest mutual and hedge funds in the country do just that. But first, you need to trust us and our approach, and that begins with getting comfortable with our research model. Over 1,000 hours were spent building this model. It exploits the demand created by both fundamental and technical investors. Our unique blend fuses together the key drivers of stock price. It is unique and effective. Every piece of our research is designed to be easy to use. The score we give our stocks weekly helps show you which stocks generate the greatest returns from this moment in time through the next 6 to 12 months. The first piece of our model considers the effectiveness of management. You already know good management teams are shareholder friendly. These teams do an excellent job of growing earnings. Our work searches out those select management teams who execute by delivering bottom-line growth. Further, you know the street rewards companies that execute above expectations. Our research finds those stocks where management consistently beats the street estimates. The second factor in our model considers the level of conviction management has in its ability to execute. In looking at insider activity and focusing on the at-the-market buys of key executives, we can uncover those companies where management thinks the street is undervaluing the potential value of that company. We aren't interested in compensation-related buys. We don't consider board compensation. Instead, our research considers only those at-the-market buys by decision makers. Those companies where key insiders are buying at the same price we'll pay for our shareholders provide the greatest likelihood of future returns. You also benefit from our third factor, which considers the trillions of dollars which trade based on key support and resistance. Our model measures the price and volume trend for buy and sell activity to determine which stocks are benefiting from wind in the sails. In looking at the buy and sell activity, we exploit the shifting supply and demand for your benefit. Our fourth factor seeks to identify stocks where the street is undervaluing the company's anticipated future earnings power. We consider the 5-year PE range for each individual stock and map out the current valuation being paid by investors for future earnings. In doing this, we help find names Wall Street is undervaluing based on how many dollars per share they've been willing to pay in the past and what they're willing to pay now. The next factor in our model is short interest. Short interest gives additional buy-side demand when the stock is performing well on the other factors outlined in our model. As the days to cover approach significantly high levels, the likelihood of a short squeeze rises, especially when we consider the previous factors such as a history of consistently beating street expectations and positive institutional buying trends. The final piece of our model is seasonality. We review 1,800 stocks across all sectors and measure the likelihood of a stock generating positive returns. We do this by month, by quarter, and for rolling 3-month periods. If a stock is historically strong in a particular period, it can add substantially. All of the components of our model are blended together to create one numerical score. The stocks are then sorted and presented to clients in our best and worst lists each week. The higher scoring stocks, which we consider our best list, present the key characteristics likely to drive performance for the coming 6 to 12 months. You benefit from our model because it focuses your attention on a small, actionable list of great stocks. I hope you'll contact us today to receive a free trial of our research. I personally guarantee your satisfaction and know we can help you generate excess returns. Thank you, and I hope you'll visit other areas of our Learning Center.